Hello everyone and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. Hope you are doing well. I'm gonna make a beautiful painting of Holy Kaaba on canvas. Let's move to the painting. Hopefully, this video gonna help you. Make sure to watch till the end. After watching this video, you can paint it yourself and hang it on your wall. It will look great. Stay with me. I'm writing Allah on one corner and Muhammad on the other. It looks so good. Let me know what you think about this video down below in the comments. MashaAllah! It looks so good. I like it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. See you in the next video.